Hi guys, it might be really bright, but oh well, too bad. First day out. Anyways, I took him to the infamous Orpheus Road. This is Orpheus Road, babe.
Yeah.
This is Orpheus Road, people. I take him come on Orpheus Road. Me need things. Me need two little things. A photographer is here, so you know, I have to find some outfit and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm gonna go shop a little bit. He's gonna check his cousin too. No, we can't park here. Gonna check his cousin too, or his cousin gonna link him or something. But anyways, I'm gonna go link and whatever.
Yeah, my
family over here and things. So yeah, link on the back a little bit later. But I'm day out with my man, people. I bet. So guys, I'm taking Joe out to get some street meat. His first street meat. You can't come to Orpheus Road and not get the street meats. And he took me shopping. Babe, buy me some stuff, people.
Yeah.
People, that man buy me some talk truth. Anyways, you can either get a sausage or you can get a hot dog. Huh? So whichever one you want.
That one over there.
Okay, bro.
Well, how do you know what it is?
Whatever
I work with the look.
we understand each other. Don't worry, man.
I work with the look.
Is that which one is that?
That's all been my police stuff.
Oh. Huh? Of course. Okay. I never did a record. Oh man.
She's not hungry. She's busy with her.
Okay. So guys, we got our hot dog. I got a chicken hot dog. I don't know if y'all can see well, but I got a chicken hot dog. We've got a Polish sausage. Taste, 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 taste. Hear him no about that. You might go get fatter for it. Yes. You can't come to Orpheus Road and not get street meat. You gotta get street meat. Here's your water, babe. And a root beer. Everyone says I'm gross because I like root beer and Dr. Pepper, but those my shits. Oh, yeah, so I told you it's not really. Chicken, honey barbecue, sauce, ketchup, mayo, mustard, honey mustard, and relish. Well, you don't like pickles either, and I do.
I like pickles now, really. No mind relish with certain things, but pickles definitely not.
Move, man. I saw your shirt, yeah.
Oh.
It's a high rise, it's supposed to come up. When I'm in Canada, I'm naked, sir. Don't come try police me thing. When you worked here, you did not know how to sleep in.
We even had a control. Man, if you look good, man, we see my man I look for that. That's not nothing to me. Man, if you look. Love that.
Excuse me. This is a nice little pep up. Yeah. No, your guys' corn is not corn. Morning, guys, and welcome to Monday. I thought I left my camera in the car. I just found it in a bag. Say good morning. It's a weekly vlog. Good morning from the things. Anyways, so yeah, guys. Yesterday was good. Babe made his first. I'll insert a picture.
Babe, I just want to say, why am I never vlog?
Babe, I thought I left the camera in the car. I didn't realize it was in this bag. No, I'm gonna put them in because I was recording a little bit too. So I'll insert some little clips and stuff like that, or pictures and stuff of Babe. He made his first meal. We had pork, rice, and peas. I did make a little salad. Yeah, and ting, and now he's hooked on coleslaw salad dressing. He puts that shit on everything, rice included. But you guys, it's been good. Like, it's been good. I'm just really big on making sure he feels comfortable and at home. And constantly I ask him like a million times a day, like, you're good, like, you're alright, you feel at home, He says he feel comfortable. Joel not staying at the bed, people, so I don't know if him like him bed or not, but him not sleeping at the bed. As daylight when me turn over, me not see Joel up and about. When we're at home, when we're at your house, you stay in a bed. You would have stand in the bed.
It's a foreign mindset.
Well, but also at that point too, he couldn't freely walk around his old house either, so he had to be confined to his room. So that makes
when I wake, I feel like I want to sleep again. You know?
We don't stop that. You're in foreign now, man.
Different, man.
Yeah, bro. We have mirrors. You don't use this to look at yourself. Fuck. Too much public display of affection, man. So yeah, guys, that's what's up. Literally just woke up. It must stress me out already about what me and one, yeah. Today's Monday. I should be at work, but I'm not at work today. I'm not going to work today. I'm not going to work tomorrow. Probably go back on Wednesday. It's a busy weekend too. It's one of my really good friends' birthday weekend. So we have her masquerade party to go to. I gotta order. Remind me, I have to order our masks. So yeah, I have to get ready for that. I have a lot of stuff to do for her, and then also to get myself ready, because as I said, it's a masquerade party. My dress, I just checked, it should be coming today before 12 o'clock. I have to take Babe on the road to go do some stuff. I kind of want to just go to the mall and kind of walk around and see if there's anything that I need, because I need a shoes. Babe might need a shoes, because there's no sneakers allowed. So Babe might need a shoes. And yeah, kind of just get ready for that. He also might need a pants too. So I just want to, while I have the time off, I'd rather do it than have to come home in the evening time and rush and get things together, especially when I'm decorating and stuff. I don't like leaving stuff for myself last minute when I also have to attend the event. You know, my allergies really getting the best of me. But yeah, I'm about to clean up this room in a little bit. I did some laundry. I have to put the clothes away and stuff. But you guys, like, yesterday was like literally like his first day, first full day. Like, woke up here, went to bed here and everything. We linked up with one of his cousins. That was really good. And yeah, as I said, we just did like regular stuff, like grocery shopped, went do a little shopping, came home, cooked, had dinner together, and it was good. Like, it was good. So I love like having company. I love it. And there was a big drama that, oh god, you guys, I'll wait till Saturday when I see my friend to get the gist on that story, to give you guys that story. But why are you so obsessed with me? Why are you so obsessed with me? Like, it's been how long, bro? Move on, fam. Like, we're not living in the past, we're progressing.
Yeah.
I wasn't speaking to you.
The rest of your life.
I wasn't speaking to you.
I tell you.
For the rest of my life, what? What?
Obsession.
I wasn't talking about you. I was talking about XO. I was just letting them know, like, their drama that I keep yesterday. But yeah, guys. Hey guys, that's it for now. I'm gonna figure something out and then come back later, okay? Bye. Top of the morning, people. So tell them where you are. You vlog. You in
Von Mills.
Whoa. We're at the mall, guys.
Yo, the sun's still away.
Yeah, it's bright outside. It's a nice day today. It's a nice day. I'm gonna take Babe's picture. Ooh. Yeah, I'm gonna take Babe's picture.
Yeah, Von Mills. I'm gonna show you. Yes, it is. Okay, sir.
For that picture, though.
When you was an immigrant, you know? We don't have a problem.
Stand beside the car and then I'll take the picture with the sign.
Oh, Van Mills, yeah.
Okay, be right back, guys. I'm gonna take a picture. Okay, bye. Anyways, guys, yeah. We got things to do, places to go, things to see, events to attend. You know what I'm saying? We're very important people, VIP. So, got things to get. But my dress came today, thank God. My dress came today. Yes. First event in Canada. I can't believe it still. Have a seat. I couldn't see that far. Yeah, like I was literally could not see. Ooh. Now I can see myself. Like, could not see. Hold on. Be back. So guys, I got Babe a cinnamon bun. He likes sweet, so I know he would like, hopefully like this. It might be a little too sweet, but
no, I gotta be too sweet.
First time. He was like, smell it. How is it?
Good.
Sweet. Jaja. Canada is nice. Married life is nice. Why? Babe, give me a piece now?
I'm gonna tell somebody I'll get a piece.
Want the center part?
Oh, the center.
Thank you. Bumbo. Come back. So guys, finished at the mall. As a Canadian, you know, one of the first few things when people first visit here, we gotta make them try is a poutine. For those of you who don't know what a poutine is, it is fries with cheese and gravy. Cheese curds, to be specific, with gravy. Hola na? Hola na? Hey, people wanna come on to food now?
Right.
Jesus! So anyway, show y'all what it looks like for those of y'all that don't know. When the girls came here, I made them try, but they didn't try the classic one. So I'm gonna make Babe try it, yeah. Wait. I'm gonna make you get one that has everything.
You will eat first.
Babe, I know what a poutine tastes like. I want you to try it. Oh God.
It's like a chicken gravy after with the cheese.
It's like beef.
A beef gravy. Yeah, that meat was very nice. Canada is nice. Marriage life is nice. What boy, what do you find out with it?
Who's a good boy?
I'm doing an interview on the Jamaica is nice.
Oh.
What's the Jamaica is nice? The Jamaica, you want to hear the one accent? Jamaica. I'm going to with the pork, with the skin of the potato.
This is my favorite place to get it from, New York fries. Like a lot of people make it, like anywhere you go, you can like upsize your fries. You see like how you guys can upsize? We can change our fries to a poutine. Like with our combo instead, yeah. So everywhere you can get a poutine. Burger King, Wendy.
If you know we reach, we're not feeling no way.
They can't see you. Why they can't see you, Joel? It's both of our channel. You live in Canada now. Make some ice right now, babe?
Canada is nice. We hope to people.
Cool.
I mean, now based my experience, travel experience, everything Canadian people nice. Like, them courteous. See that?
Can you come in?
Oh.
Yeah.
Them courteous, them loving, them mannerable, very mannerable. And you know, them joyful. I mean, like Canadian people like kind of different than even America, North America would. You know, from the get I mean, but Canadian people does. Canada is nice. Canadian people them nice too.
Don't get take all of my cheese, you know?
Get that one, I can't. Mommy have my food now.
Exactly. Babe got bourbon. You got blackened chicken.
Blackened chicken and this is all again.
Honey chicken.
Honey glaze.
Honey glaze. Bumbo.
But I try to make honey glaze turkey.
Should try it.
That's another place one.
It's the rice too. Take your fork. Yo, from Joel Farm, everything I eat, I'm like,
God no. Yo. I'm tired of Jamaican food I'm doing.
Like normally when we are in Jamaica, we try like something. He'll be like, this could have.
Food them are so different with you.
But so far everything here.
And the meat them,
Like,
yo, man, nah, like. Fish of the meat, no, I got it in America than US, the States. Alright, anyways, now, Canada, we go back, you know? Agriculture place, so we have a farm here. You buy the flight, people, 3 quarters of the plane are farm workers. 3 quarters.
It was what, 100 and how much?
120 something, I'm going to 130 farm workers. Man, that's why they must send a plane for you.
Oh yeah, guys, we didn't even tell you.
Friday cancel.
Joel was supposed to come the Friday. The alerts kept coming to my phone that his flight kept being delayed. Delay 1 hour, delay next hour, delay 2 hours, delay next hour, delay next hour. Joel was supposed to take off at 11 o'clock, his flight was? 12 o'clock Canada time. I left work early. When we reach home, yeah, when we reach home, Joel's still there in Jamaica. The last time before the flight got cancelled, the last alert that we got was that his flight was going to arrive at 3:03 in the morning. People, I was like, Joel, you better sleep at airport because I don't know on me.
I'm not going back
there. Then, find out the flight cancelled.
But I only have to say probably cancel.
Once they start delaying so much
time.
And it was due to like.
I say, oh, babe, keep positive.
It was due to like aircraft technical issues, not like weather or you know what I mean. So I'm like, more than likely, they ain't doing it. And there was not supposed to be a flight coming on the Saturday. Anyways, canceled the flight, put them in a hotel, and they made a flight for Saturday.
And send a flight.
People, your flight's supposed to left 10:30.
Delay again. So come on, gonna reach that.
Better.
People, come on, gonna reach that.
I was like, what the hell?
I do not reach it.
What the hell? Like, why all of these delays? Like, we just want this thing for done, and it's like it just a drag its foot still. It was the same thing when he was supposed to get his passport. We had to end up going to find out where the passport
pay for
is.
Delivery, exactly.
We didn't get no tracking information, like it's just like everything that was supposed to start. And if we were the type of people that like
easily gives you that.
Yeah, like we wouldn't be here. He wouldn't be here.
But everything go here. I must say even through the pandemic, we do that process through the pandemic, you know, people like up and down everything through the pandemic. Babe up and down, booby up and down, me up and down. I've got tax service all these running around. Cause the show and nothing can't stop you when you want this stuff.
Yeah.
Alright, once you're passionate about it and you really want to have deep desire for it, unstoppable.
Like cartel. Unstoppable? Unstoppable?
What kind of oranges that you can have? I left it there 8 minutes old and I tell you, I left from.
I don't want. Bye guys, later. See you at the next stop. So y'all, I took my man to Yorkdale Mall. Babe, where's the fork? Use the fork, please. Come on, man. We're in Canada. I was about to say we're in Jamaica. He's eating Shanghai 360. Tell the people them where you buy.
Spicy chicken, Shanghai chicken.
Fish.
Forget that chicken.
Fish, not chicken.
Yeah, the Shanghai fish. Shanghai spicy fish. And people may love Asian food. Asian food. It's like chicken. Show me something. So you have cabbage, carrot, fish. Baby chicken is good now here, please. And we don't remember the type of rice. It's a kind of like vegetable rice.
It's just rice. Anyways, I got Chick-fil-A.
Good old thing.
Yeah, and a Sunjoy. Is it the new one? There's a new one, but anyways, yeah, I got a Sunjoy. Gonna eat and yeah. Almost finished getting our outfits together.
Yeah.
Literally. We're gonna look so good.
Can't wait for that event.
Anyways, guys.
And them outfits there. Morning, Toronto. Yeah, people. Come on, I'm come tell the city good morning, you know? Yeah, no. So, booby the area because I don't know anything, but I'm going to look at view of the city, you know? Or the city still.
Hi guys, I meant to take you guys in the mall today, you know. Oh my god, you guys, Joel is just doing such a horrible job. I thought with him here, he would take up the camera more, vlog more.
I'm so caught up in the moment and the things that we have. People have household chores.
You don't have chores, you're not a maid.
I have chores, I give myself chores.
You're not a maid.
People just say we never see sun 8 o'clock yet in the night. And not even night, they can't even call now night. Now is what?
Yeah, going home, well not home. I have a few little stops to make. And then home. But yeah. Talk to you guys on the flip side. Just wanted to check in. But we're going home now. When we reach somewhere else in life, we'll let you guys know. But we're here. The things are here. The good things, them.
Live in Toronto.
Yeah, live in the people.
Live in Toronto.
I'm gonna make Joel talk to like how I talk to the people them when I buy things in the store.
Yeah, man.
A beer talk me I hear Joel.
I'm not gonna understand people. You see me, so them force them to speak English.
Nobody never force you to speak English.
Them not understand me. I'm not talk with them. Understand.
You never even try.
No, well, speak English. So yeah, people, always hear about this. Like there's this Jamaican restaurant place where over them always buy food. It's called Jerk Box. She say the best Jamaican type food. So we get jerk chicken also, as you can see, and oxtail. Come here, see them oxtail, but I mean, not like people like when I go to the place, it already smell like Jamaican, like a Jamaican food. Literally, and then the man them on the front and thing like eat a Jamaican vibe, and you know, I know the whole thing. So this me get as I say oxtail mixed with jerk. This is a jerk mix. Them actually sell this like $21. Basically 21 Canadian dollars. Booby get the fried chicken with oxtail. So you can get a chicken mix with oxtail or curry goat or whatever. I mean, I like people. Even the curry goat, I'm look on the curry goat. Curry goat look real good. So next time I'm gonna try it. Been a cream oxtail from here come. Like from last week I come to the airport and somebody you want oxtail and stuff. first thing that was perfect side. Like
everything about it. It's soft. It come right off of the
all the
bone.
jerky chicken soft.
Everything.
You got them boiled
Nice.
chicken at first. And upstairs people, right time. This is Jamaican food.
Yeah.
Pass it.
Yeah.
Jamaican, fresh from your heart.
Hold on, guys.
Upstairs the chicken first.
I'm excited. Y'all, he's addicted to these now.
Yo.
Yeah.
So refreshing, but it's still sour. I love sour juice people.
Anyways, guys, in now. It's after 9. I'm gonna wind down.
Wine, I drink some wine while I'm flying.
Going into work late, but I gotta take him on the road to do something in the morning.
Yeah.
So probably go on the road with us tomorrow. But this is it for Thursday. Almost a week since he's been here. You gotta give them like an update after like week after like your first week and stuff, like first month and then something, you know?
Yeah, people, I got to know. And the love is real. Big up.
Big up everybody that we've seen. Nikki, big up yourself. Shan, big up yourself.
We're at the airport.
Girl, big up yourself. Like, oh my God. The girl that we seen in Blue Notes, I didn't get your name, but big up yourself. And anybody else we see, we would never say hello, but you know, we always love when you guys stop us, whether Jamaica or abroad, because we are abroad. We're abroad now, baby. We're abroad. Not with the oxygen in your mouth.
Love is real, people.
But we are abroad now. I don't know if man foreign a bats, abe. Good morning. Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
And welcome to Friday. Y'all, I'm irritated. I'm irritated. Supposed to come do some business this morning. Can't do it. Got the people that mess up the documents. So I have to go back at airport.
Go back at airport.
And then come back at Brampton. Come deal with what we need to deal with. Me not live near Brampton.
First.
So what me do down here, so?
Work. Original plan for
Supposed to go back at work. I don't know how that should go. How did that day, yeah?
I feel that it's nice,
Oh, you didn't like hash brown?
Whenever I get to this, we're looking hash brown already.
So you don't knock it, you try it.
And the crust right down outside.
McDonald's is better.
It's good, so I'm going to try McDonald's.
Oh, you gotta try McDonald's breakfast.
You want to try the McDonald's when I over to you? Because them left Jamaica along, so I don't remember how it tastes like.
You gotta try McDonald's breakfast. Comment down below, you guys, if you guys love McGriddles. McGriddles are my ish. It's like a bread, right? But it has maple syrup in it, in the bread, right? And then you get like whatever kind of meat option you want. So sausage or bacon with egg and cheese, and then another layer of the bread with the maple syrup in it. So it's like sweet and like savory. Oh my God. Remember every now? Oh my God, you guys! See Papa Harry again, but this time we actually got to talk to him.
I'm blessed.
I hear him.
I comment on them channel. Them say, what do you do?
Big up Papa Harry.
Big up Papa Harry, you know?
Mama Joan. Well, you know, the place is
Daddy
hot.
D-Lo.
Hot like a Scotch bonnet pepper.
That Tim's.
I got an elderly couple, I love them.
I always want to try this, I'm a dream.
Public Health Agency of Canada calling. Please stay on the line to continue with this important call.
Cet appel est de l'Agence de la Santé publique du Canada. Veuillez ne pas raccrocher et répondre à cet appel important.
For service in English, press 1.
Pour le service,
we would like to speak with Joel Tingling regarding the recent entry into Canada. If this is you, please press 1.
Press 1.
If this person... Throughout this call, You will be asked to provide and validate information. Your personal information is required under the Quarantine Act and related emergency orders that apply to persons entering Canada.
Anyways, y'all, catch y'all later. Get to the airport, guys, and I'm not leaving. Anyways, hopefully this shit is validated. Cause I have to come back here, so I boom up my face. I now come back here, so until I left the place, like I'll go on plane. You see me?
We are flying out.
Yeah, like, so we're heading back to Brampton now. Jaja. Hopefully there's not a lot of afternoon appointments and I have to wait in line, because even though we were there earlier, if the lady busy, I have to go wait till she... Yeah, but I'm still gonna have to, it's to go back specifically to her. So if there's other people there going to her, I have to wait until she's done.
Yeah, we know.
So, yeah. I'm about to go call in right now, because, like, it doesn't even make any sense. If I go work anytime after 12, it's not going to make no sense. It don't make sense to go work for 2 hours. 1 hour. He's here, so it don't make no sense. I won't mind. I can go home and prepare for tomorrow, so it's not that bad. Or a big of a deal. Yeah. That's all him want. They warm together. Hell no. People, the man look good. Me address him, you know. Me address him, watch him. Except this. I don't know why his underpants and stuff have to show. Boom, boom. I'm a man that's in a people. Sick. Lad. Never lazy. Queen wave. Boom, boom. Man say, Uri. Come twang for them, twang for them.
No, leave me alone.
Come twang for them now. People the bandstand, so what? Oh, we're at level 5. Come, I could go down a tree. Got a tree we did there. Oh, north elevators. Yeah, guys.
Boy, if I listen, I can see the people go together in the airports.
Ow.
All kind of ports.
My man's gonna be flying me out. I'm gonna be flued out, baby. I'm going to Dubai, Chini, Indy, Tallinn. How you mean, brother?
You're trying to answer 5H, 3H.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Baby, more. I don't know why you love me. You got it back.
Oh my gosh! So guys, we're at one of my really good friends' birthday parties. Yeah, babe's first outing out in Canada. Why you opening your eyes like that, bro? It's a masquerade party, y'all. Okay, okay, that's the max, okay? Oh, yo, yeah. me turn on my flash little.
Oh, is that nice?
Ooh. It's literally 1:41 in the morning. We are home. We didn't just get home. We've been home for a little bit now. We've been home. Crazy, you guys. It's officially been 1 week since, well, not today. Today it's going on to 2 weeks.
1 week and a day now, Sunday.
Yeah, but Saturday made 1 week. Babe was in Canada. I was about to say Jamaica. Damn. It's crazy. Time is just, what's time? He's already been a week, soon 1 month, and a year.
Canada is nice.
Charlene is thinking about Charlene. And in her mind,
yeah, comment down below. Let me know. Help me to tell me how to teach him to know where he lives, the roads, how to count money.
You know, what is a nickel, what is a ray? I'm gonna tell me a while ago.
The man said it's $1.80. He's like, what is that, man? Like, I'm from Jamaica. What is $1.80?
My old man, I feel shame.
Yo, and you guys, I gotta catch Joel when he's twang. Joel is twanging. People, Joel is twanging. Okay? Twanging.
People, Canadian are the best set of people, you know. That's fair. Canada nice, man. The people, them is nice.
So you enjoyed your first week?
Yeah.
I know, right? Big up Apple. Big up Apple anyway in there. Big up Apple.
It's a great feeling. It was a great 1 week. And yo, man, I lie. You know, 1 week, it come like a 1 week with a dream.
You're still dreaming.
Still a dream.
It's still weird to me, guys. Like,
no, I really think
not a bad weird, but it's just a weird feeling. Like having somebody here, like it's just weird.
When I see Kimmy, I shock him and say, welcome to Canada. I say, boom, like you know, lick me again, like me. I say, yo, really, Canada.
Yeah, I think my friends' reactions today also were like, because it was today was the first one, the first day. Yeah, that he got to meet everyone like in person, and like as I said, no one knew Joel was coming. Nobody knew Joel was coming. Yeah, guys, I'm just really private, as I said to you guys. Like, I'm just very private with a lot of things, like, in my life.
As of late.
Not necessarily as of late, but, like, just from past experiences and stuff like that. Like, just being verbal and talking about things, like, either while I'm going through them or before. It just hasn't been a great outcome. Like, or... Yeah, or... I make announcements and kind of like, I don't know, things with people, I don't know, but I just like to keep certain things to myself, and when it's fully done, hello, I'm spoken, and when it's fully done, then I can discuss it. Okay? Don't hate me, but yeah. Alright, say what you have to say. It wasn't important.
Ron Bowler was a police officer for Sunray PD. It turned out that Tim Dean...
Nobody I can say again, baby. I read it, something good for me. Read it, man.
And people...
Hey, I love ya.
And people...
Charlie Childers drove to Kansas.
You did us something, and people...
No, I don't remember yesterday. To be honest. That man, that's it.
In police work, we call that a clue.
the police are even more shocked.
Whatever. Anyways, guys, this is the end of the weekly vlog. I'm sorry I didn't get to catch a lot of today, y'all. Today, it was...
We do a lot of things too in the 1 week, like, you know?
We have Tim Dean as early as 7 o'clock.
Paper-wise, you know? Certain things wise, like importance.
Yeah. Yeah, we handled a lot of our battle.
1 week we do it.
Yeah, we made use of it.
Yeah, and they push for do it, so we're really, you know, grateful for that.
Yeah, man.
Really.
Yeah, all in the man of fire in the beds.
Yeah, I don't know why I'm not
Dean is arrested.
Yo, Nedra was like, Joe!
Nedra said, blood clot, Joe, really
Wait! You're now foreign?
I first did, you know, like she read, it's like, we pass her.
Yeah, like you passed her.
And she eat me everything on Friday, but we come back up like she said, blood clot, Joe, really. Just say it's sweet, you know. It's like she can't believe.
Yeah, because nobody knew. Like,
Yeah,
nobody was
can't believe.
expecting. Like,
You know, she see me, she can't believe.
can't believe. That's how I feel. And it's like crazy because like everybody feels the same way. It's like, yo, you see this person on video call, you hear the voice on the phone.
Even the subscriber will see other day in a while, man.
Yeah, like she was like, she heard his voice and she had to like walk down the aisle.
Yeah.
Like she had to come over to the next aisle just to make sure. Because she was like, wait, that sounds like People, man. And she was like, what? It was Nick. What's her name? Nikki?
Nikki,
I think it's Nikki. But big up yourself.
Yeah, you more remember her name.
We did big them up earlier in the vlog as well. But yeah, Shan, Nikki, the girl at Blue Notes. Big up everybody and everybody who sent their congratulations and love and support. We appreciate it. Like, we appreciate it. I know what it's looking like in the comment section right now, but yes, you guys,
it's real.
It's real. So real, surreal.
Sorry.
Oh my God, all the reels. But yeah, I'm gonna get ready for bed. I'm about to leave this man and go to my bed.
As usual.
So yeah, I will see you guys in the next weekly vlog.
Yeah, man, I gotta try going to two vlog, you know? Even though I got everyone, but I gotta try going to two vlog.
Yeah, we'll see what happens. But yeah, until next time, guys, thank you guys for watching. If you're new to my channel, hit subscribe. If you're returning, hit the notification bell so you don't miss another video from me.
Wow, my blackness, the place cold.
It's cold.
Yo.
And I will see you guys in the next video, whenever that is and whatever that is. Until next time, bye.
Hey people, so our family barbecue thing. Good morning. So today is Sunday, as them say. Check say it was Saturday, people. So big up, good morning, first thing, manners and respect out there. So basically today again, man. People, so today is Sunday and actually they are in the kitchen. Sunday morning, kind of just waiting what I watch my face. Yeah, so we make some chicken and things. I have like a family barbecue thing. We are going.
Yeah, family. Yeah, family.
Don't cut me. So yeah, basically, no, I said don't cut me.
You're right. After you love cut off people.
I'm there tell you talk, you know.
After you love cut off people.
So.
Me not for cut you off.
Morning again, people. Morning, you know. So yeah, as we say, Sunday, June. I don't know June the what, but I know it's a Sunday.
June the 19th.
My second Sunday in the city. Second. So basically I go to 2 weeks in that place. So yeah, well, there I just I go on family barbecue, get together thing. You know? Big up Steffi Fry. Yeah, so we're gonna link up Steffi today and what I'm buying. See it? Yeah, so there I prepare. See that? See that preparation is key, we know that already. So yeah man, that's the pray for the day. So grilled chicken, kind of have a barbecue themselves, so I'll season up some chicken and then we'll make some Father's Day thing. So Father's Day, you know, so next year, no, next 2 years, I'm up on the Father tree. We're not ready yet, we're not about rushing. Because they are calling me a while ago, people, so I hear myself. I'm look up, I have a cousin here, you know, and I'm holding one cousin, you know, 6. So, yeah, morning again, happy Sunday again. Big up all of the fathers them on the channel. You see me? Happy Father's Day, all I father them. So generally, when you're ready yet, you're going to enjoy the marriage. Little, make 2 little trip, 2 little red, 2 little set, 2 little thing, you know. House and sitting there, we say, yeah, you can go and create, you know. Yeah, creation. So, big up again, you know, they're alive, you know,
Afternoon. I think this one already turned on the camera earlier today, so yeah. But Father's Day, I'm at my cousin's house. She's having a little barbecue. You know, first time Joel's going around some of my cousins. Shall be interesting. But yeah, we're there.
No, meet Stephanie already.
Oh yeah, yes. You meet Stephanie already. Yes. But still, my other cousin is here. Her kids. You want to hear yourself, Achu?
Why?
Jesus.
Why?
So yeah, we'll take you guys along with us today. And yeah, she's putting her dog away currently right now because I will not enter if that dog is not in the cage. Riza and me are not friends. So yeah. But yeah, when we reach inside, she told me to bring my swimsuit. It sounds like people active in the pool right now. I'm bathing, so I'm going to a hot tub. Pour myself some wine, going to the hot tub. While the people them cook up the chicken. And yeah,
How you bring chicken?
it's about to be a nice little evening and stuff. So yeah, see you guys on the flip side, on the inside, yeah, whichever side, yeah. But anyway, see you over, see you over there. People as him come. Him bother the people them on the grill boat if they need help, him can help them. Enough, you know? But here's our chicken. This is our contribution. Wow. Get into my God.
Keep it juicy. I eat that lunch. She keep that booty. She keep that plump. That natural beauty. Yeah. If you could see it from the front, till you see it from the back, back, till you see it back, back, till you see it from the back, back, till you see it from the. If you could see it from the front, till you see it from the back, yeah. You like it thick, you like it fat, yeah. Like it keep on wanting more. He asked me, told you where you at, huh? Tryna squeeze into my true religion, that Celebrate, don't wanna say you lie. I don't.
Yeah, people. Fire, kick up. So no friend there over there, sir. Oh, no friend. You don't know that deep if I drop. Say hello to the vlog.
If you know me, I'm having the time of my life. Beg your pardon, man, I wanna just party. People, them I get ready for go rock. People, them I get ready for go rock. What you say? First day of work tomorrow. First day of work in foreign. How you feeling? Preparing, you guys. He's so excited. I'm so excited for him. This is so weird, guys. Like, we talked about things like this for years.
Manifestation.
And the fact that it's happening, and I don't want you guys to feel like, oh, Zoe, him just come, oh yeah, make him go. Me never make him go, you know. Me never make him go.
Oh,
him tell me say.
We not come for lunch.
Him tell me say anything will come up. Babe, tell me. Me we go. I say, babe, opportunity. You want it? Him say, yeah. Ready. I'm about to go share out my boobies lunch. Okay? So, oh my god, I'm sharing out my man's lunch. Babe, would you like pineapple and watermelon? Oh my god. Okay, baby, anything for you, darling. Mwah. Mwah, my booby. All in the app, not a fur in the back. Oh my god, you guys. But yeah, just finished doing laundry. Yeah, as I said, I'm about to share out all my lunch, everyone's lunch and stuff. And yeah, as I said, I just literally finished folding the laundry. Hold on, that's what I'm just gonna. Here we go. Sorry guys, brightness was down. But yeah. Oh, I the plate them I got for wash out. Anyways, guys, later. This is Monday. It's Monday, by the way. It's Monday, if I didn't say it. So yes, it's Monday. I came home from work. Yes, I had a yo, today was a busy day at work today, actually. Babe, you never asked me how my day was today. You never asked me. Anyways, today was a very busy day at work today. Yeah, there was just a lot of things going on. There was just a lot of things going on today. It was a very busy day today, but yeah, I deserve a good sleep. And yeah, but yeah, I gotta get up really early, help this guy get to work for his first day and stuff like that. So I will come back tomorrow, make babe give us a little update. It's still
See the people. I'm sure you have to tough like rock, not even rock steel. No can in case I'm Japan, you know? Yeah, steel tough for work, you know? Work show. Oh.